Speaker and oppose the demands.
एक हाफ एन आवर घेत
किती म्हाका हाफ एन आवर सगळे 40 1 वर बी दिला मग म्हाका हाफ एन आवर
40 मिनिट्स घे बेगीन वचूंक जाय न्ही
हें कितें स्पीकर सर
फाल्यां परत येवपाक जाय फाल्यां परत येवपाक जाय
खबर गुदा रोखडेच स्पीकर I rise to speak on the rise to speak on the cut motion and oppose the demands. Speaker sir, I begin with the Ministry of Transport. Now, Speaker sir, this government has miserably failed in providing safe, dependable, regular and reliable public transport. Because of this public transport, Speaker sir, this normally results in the ease of the living of the lives of the people. But Jain Zala is basically misery. They depend on their own sources rather today. Eklo apply gadi, bike and bhauta. Speaker sir, what this has done is this has resulted in mushrooming of two-wheeler bikes, four-wheeler bikes, and you see a lot of these in these urban and semi-urban areas and villages. And the big question is, does Goa have their own right to public transport today? What was there in 1980s during what was spotted by Digambar Kamath, the senior member, Kadamba Transport Corporation, and what is happening now is a completely different scenario, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, there are a request of about 345 routes that are pending with the department. Kadamba Transport Corporation, Speaker sir, eka ek revival plan जायो. आमदार जो चेअरमॅन आहा, चेअरमॅन काम करूं सोदता, पूण कसलोच आदार म्हाका दिसना जात ते भाशेन चलत ते भाशेन. The way things are moving, things are going from bad to worse. Speaker sir, unsettled issues of taxi operators and motorcycle pilots. This is also your highlight. From the time we've been MLAs, we've been highlighting this. The same menu is there. Speaker sir, private bus operator pade hai, they are also unhappy. Bus stands are in completely bad shape all across the state. Udka facility na dinga piupachi, जावं waiting rooms, toilets, absolutely sarke bad to worse. Speaker sir, interstate bus pade hai, this jam bus stand hai, except there are no interstate buses and except a nameplate is there in most of your bus stops. Speaker sir, आज जोरीतोर चोयल्यार 85% जे रस्ते आमगे हाय ह्या रस्त्याचेर there is no signage, no proper signage I must say, except your 4-lane roads. And this puts to risk several pedestrians, several road users are at risk, several vehicles are at risk, and je accident jata te vadot ha. Out of the total buses that are operating, and when you announced last time of purchasing e-buses, I had questioned you how many are person with disable friendly move. It is shocking to see the records, Speaker sir. No absolutely kind clarity na. And government is not moving in any direction with this. Speaker sir, Sodanch Zoritortu newspaper uktu kelar Sodanch you can see the first thing that hits your mind or looks when you look at the newspaper is a fatal death on the road. Every day you look on the newspaper, you find one though.
Just one day. Minister.
16. I move that the House be extended by 2 hours. We'll try to finish before that.
Yes.
Because sir,
wait 1 minute.
Yes.
Motion is...
The motion is that during the sitting of the House is extended by 2 hours. Those in favor of the motion may say aye, and those against may say no. I say it. The motion is adopted. The duration of sitting of the House is extended by 2 hours.
Speaker sir, NJ Transport Department they have no program of driver orientation and training. Amotte basic necessity in department an zaina. Fakt chotla mutte chiri miri fine collection. Yan chiri miri hai department an vadot asa. So ila kot tuka chiri miri kit mutte. Speaker sir, rent a car and bike. This is also playing havoc. I believe आमचे दोतोर कार्लोसान उलयला ज्या पद्धतीन हे व्हिडिओ वाल्गॅरिटी व्हिडिओ जे चलता ज्या पद्धतीन द लॉ इज बीन ब्रोकन आनी जे इट इज गोईंग फ्रॉम बॅड टू वर्स मंत्रीन म्हाका दिसता एडवायस 7-8 दीस आदी एक एडवायस केल्लो तेगे RTO ऑफिसराक ते सगळे फक्त घुसप्लाय करपाक चिरी मिरी, कित्याक चड चिरी मिरी करूं पडा मुखार म्हूण हें बारीक बारीक चिरी मिरी वाडत आसा. स्पीकर सर, ड्रंकन ड्रायविंगाचे सारके चॅक ना, हे अल्कोहोल मिटर तेंगे चलताय चलनाय कित सुविधा आहा हेजेर चॅक ना, ओवर स्पिडींग जायत आहा. The minister, I believe, should inform the House of what are the measures that he plans to take with regards to this rent-a-bike and car operators. Speaker sir, high security number plate ache म्हाका दिसता एक 2 वर्सां आदी जायतो बोवाड जालो. What is the current status on it? Anik, what is the current status? Is the order on high security number plate still in operation? And when we say whether it is in operation, Speaker sir, the minister clarify करपाक जाय की when did this expire का म्हणून, and then I will speak on that, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता टॅक्सी भावाचेर जायते आमगेले सगळे उलयले, and I believe that this trade has to be in the hands of locals. A local आमगे टॅक्सी भावाच्या हातांत आसपाक जाय. Aggressive steps जो सरकार घेता, especially to rope in Goa Miles and other taxi operators. इंतून म्हाका दिसता आमचे जे लोकल भाव आहाय, there is a high possibility and there is a possibility की ट्रेड गोंयकारां मदें जे आहले हे भायर दुसऱ्या हातांत वयतले. कित्याक स्पीकर सर, टेक्नॉलॉजी अगेन्स्ट आमी वी आर नॉट अगेन्स्ट इट, बट beneficial to operators, consumers, it has to be purely to Goan brothers and sisters. This should be the benefit. Ada, I feel that the approach that is needed is that you need to take all of them together, consult them and bring these taxi operators on board. Or सरकार हें करपाक सोदना. हलो पात्रांव मू 1000 टॅक्सी दितले मू व्हड बोवाड जालो. कितल्यो टॅक्सी दिल्यो स्पीकर सर? आमकांय पयलीं आमदार जालो तेन्ना आवय 1000 टॅक्सी मेळटल्यो. आमकां तेका एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन एक दिल ना, दुसऱ्यान दिल तें आनी म्हाका खबर ना खूंय कोणा दिल तें. बट एनीवेज स्पीकर सर, नाव कमिंग टू हीज डिमांड्स, आय फील दॅट तेका एक हायक वाडयलां बजेट, तेगे वाडयलें तें बजेट म्हाका दिसता इज अनजस्टिफायड. स्पीकर सर, तो सारको अलर्ट आसता, आमदार अलर्ट आहा सारको, पूण डिपार्टमेंट न्हिदलो आहा, एब्सोल्युटली न्हिदलो आहा. आनी जायत पुसा आमदार जो आहा हो बिजी आसता, हें हांव कित्याक तें तुका सांगता. स्पीकर सर, जें बजेटाचें प्रोविजन आहलें 306 crores फॉर दीस पर्टिक्युलर इयर, and last time it was 296. But if you look at the way pathetic condition of the department, road accidents, the way deaths are happening, this, Speaker sir, proves that the hike is unjustified. आता कदंबाचे ड्रायव्हर आणि असोसिएशनाचे जायते वांगडी आमचे बरे येयले, तेंगेले जे डिमांड आहाय, इतली वर्सां जालीं हे डिमांड आहाय, हे सरकार हेंकां पुराय करपाक सोदना. वेज सेटलमेंट्स विजावीज द 7th पे कमिशनाचे जे तेंकां रेकमेंडेशन आहली, दिस इज नॉट सेटल्ड. सेकंड, जे नॉन पेमेंट ऑफ एरियर्स जे तेंगे पेंडींग आहले हे सेटल करूंक ना. इलेक्शन हांव सांगताय ते तेंकां सगळें जातो म्हूण, मागीर इलेक्शनाक दीस येयले तें जायना. Restoration of Provident Fund on 12% of the total salary. This is not been done. Jenna announcement केलें, 150 new bus घेतले म्हणून, electric bus or whatever it is. There was fear and anxiety among the drivers. Electric buses आचे 100 बस घेतले मू गेले ते बजेटान सांगलोलें, कितले येयले? फक्त 5. Discontinuation of they are in a dark of your Maji bus scheme म्हणून. Out of 400 buses, 184 buses because are either being scrapped or they, and Kadamba is only operating with about 200 buses. Speaker sir, आता बस स्टँडाचे जेन्ना आमी उलयतना, आमी जेन्ना जोशुआ बाब आमगेलो डेप्युटी स्पीकर पयलो आमदार जाल्लो, आमी तेका चोयताले, त्या वेळार सो ते बस स्टॉपार तो उलयतालो. मनोहर पर्रीकरान तेका आश्वासन दिल्लें, हे बस स्टॉप जातलें म्हणून. आणि आज पासून तो जरी तो ते बस स्टॉपाक वता, जरी तर 4 वर्सां जालीं हे बस स्टॉप जे म्हापसा जावपाक जाय आशिल्लें, एंड ही हॅड प्रॉमिस्ड द पीपल दॅट टायम. आय कूड सी, आय वॉज ऑल्सो नॉट एन MLA दॅट टायम. ते टायमासो अंत पासून स्पीकर सर सेम परिस्थिती, म्हणजे सिट्युएशन इज कंप्लिटली बॅड. आय बिलीव यू मेड प्रोविजन ऑफ 20 crores फॉर बिचोलीम. आय एम नॉट अगेन्स्ट इट. 6.5 crores for bus stands at Vasco and Margao. बारीकशे प्रधानमंत्री येता मग थिंगा तो गोट आहा तो बारीकशे चिरी थिंगा कितें करपाचो प्रयत्न जालो. Speaker sir, I would like to know from your budget provision, you have taken जे undertaking transaction advisories on PPP basis. So what is the thing to modernize the bus stand? You have done that. So what is the purpose? You have to explain. Shiroda, Honda, Kunkole, amgele je bus stand hai, renovation zaina. We've replaced the shed, there's no doubt, but internally, painting, toilets, everything is in a bad condition. Sarke bad, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, Cape जो bus stand is 3 kilometers away from the central town. आता 16 जे bus stop आहे, all are in pathetic condition. All, especially if you look at the Penjim bus stand, this perfectly fits the state of the smart city. Smart city जे smart cities कोण उडेला, तेजा poros or Penjimaचो bus stand, Pणजेचो bus stand. Pavements have been encroached by vendors. Platforms जे आहे, they need urgent renovation. Internal रस्ते पडे ते थिंग सगळे हॉडे आहे, सगळे हॉड्डे, सगळे absolutely no cleanliness. मोडगोंचे बस स्टँड जरी तो थिंग गेल्यार garbage is dumped. This is like an eyesore, Speaker sir. Stink is all around the place, सगळे garbage. आणि दूख जाता म्हाका आमचे जे पयलींचे मुखेलमंत्री आशिल्ले अजून ते गेले ते कित्याक घाम काडय ते म्हाका खबर ना. मातशें कोण दियाय रे तें बस स्टॉप मातशें. स्पीकर सर, नॉन फंक्शनल ऑफ जे ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल जे मंत्रीन आमकां उतर दिला, that is one of the major cause of deaths today in the road accident deaths. Anik, you have to constantly look at, maintain these signals better to bring them under your department control rather than giving it to a private agency. So when will you do it? There is a lot of, things that need to be put in order. The way the road deaths are happening, this is one of the prime reasons. चिक 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 मग सिग्नल साथ चलना तूं आज राती को गेल्या तूं कितली दिसती पडली तूं काणकोण वचपाचो आप तरी वारक्या मातशें ओ दाटे बंद जाताय तूं कितली दिसती पडली. स्पीकर सर, जे मेन रिजन इज द बॅड रोड इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर सद्या जे आहा आनीक एब्सन्स ऑफ कॉम्प्रिहेन्सीव क्वालिटी कंट्रोल आनी मॉनिटरींग सिस्टम. दिस इज वॉट इज लॅकिंग विदीन द सिस्टम. दिस कॉजेज एक्सिडंट्स. आणि म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर, आज जे दोन्ही डिपार्टमेंट जावं पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आणि ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट, इन स्पायट ऑफ बोथ ऑफ यॉल स्टील यॉल कांट कंट्रोल हे एक्सिडंट कंट्रोल करपाक शकनाय. स्पीकर सर, हे कॉर्डिनेशन जायना. बोथ एजन्सीज हॅव फेल्ड and hence you need to fix responsibility. You need to fix responsibility and accountability. आणि फक्त म्हाका दिसता जे पड चलता ते passing the buck म्हणटाय ते भाशेन. Signages, substandard works, this basically have caused nuisance, Speaker sir. जे black spots आहे, जे जेन्ना आमचे काब्राल बाब मंत्री आशिल्ले त्या वेळार he said that the transport department had to identify, transport department was putting it on the PWD ministry. 100 crore मागलेले जे आमचे surface transport highway minister are to identify these black spots. What has this government and the department done? Speaker sir, जायते करेक्टिव मेजर्स घेवपाक जाय. मेन म्हणटाय ते हे सरकाराचे जावं MVR, दिलीप बिल्डकॉन हांकां पयले पनिश करपाक जाय. ड्यू टू बॅड रोड इंजिनियरींग, this is the main cause for these deaths, because the expansion जाला but there is deaths as well. म्हाका दिसता जे लँडस्लायड जाले देवा कृपेन थिंगा आनी मनीस मेल्ले त्या पद्दतीन हे सब स्टँडर्ड काम हे कंपनीन केला. आनी हो सरकारान आतां IIT मुंबय मुखेलमंत्रीन तांकां मुखार कळ्ळें टू इन्वेस्टिगेट. अनलेस these people are not blacklisted, nothing, no one is going to be serious. Because येते वर्सा मांको येतले हीच कथा जी आम उलयता तेच पोत उलयतले. Speaker sir, you have failed to find a solution between taxi drivers, app-based taxis. You need to basically work on facilitating a dialogue. Goa is a small state and we have a lot of limitations to the taxi business. And म्हाका दिसता we cannot expand in an uncontrolled manner. ज्या पद्धतीन आमी expand करपाक सोदता, we cannot grow, and we have to remember that we have to protect the interest of our taxi bow. Speaker sir, एक मोठो आनी एक problem जो हा is whether your department has failed to create regular जे audit आसपाक जाय of school buses. It's because जे accident जाले खास करून जेन्ना school bus had overturned आमची जी एक कुंकोळच्या गावांत बालरथ आनीक त्या वेळार जे स्टियरिंग जे लॉक जालें these buses need proper audit. Chief Minister said that you all give the management certain funds, but send your officers, check whether their management is really looking at it. We are playing with the lives of the children. Kunkolcha gawan je zale Barli on the border. At that time, this bus overturned. We had to, I think Elton was there, we were there, we had to go to the South Goa District Hospital also. And children were traumatized. Let's not put everything on the management just because you need to do random checks. It's because of the same with regards to the Kadamba buses. I don't think you have any tracking devices, whether you have any panic buttons, emergency numbers. Basically, you need to look at this. Tungelo, जो आमचे मुखेलमंत्री आशिल्ले पार्सेकर बाब, I was looking about 1 month back. He has explained in how serious is this issue. This is a very, very serious issue because we are playing with the lives of the children, Speaker Sir. Speaker Sir, you have said that you want the transportation, Goa to be developed as a transportation hub, where under viability gap grant funding, you expect 700 crores. I believe that you have said you thank the Chief Secretary and whatever. Exactly what is the status where this proposal has reached? Whether this will see, you will receive it? Speaker Sir, आज म्हाका दिसता जे e-buses or the concept when this notification was removed in 2018 that they don't require permits. Basically, this is a very dangerous trend for our bus drivers now. जे traditional आमगे गोंयकार आहाय, this can hit them very hard. I believe the central guideline आहाय, you need to look at it. जे आमगे तमणकर बाब आहले they have met you, they have met the Surface Transport Minister, they have met the Chief Minister. You need to look at it because they are scared that if you 2018 notification, if you go ahead with it, then it will have a lot of consequences, Speaker Sir. Speaker Sir, KTC je zalne 15 October 1980 आणि प्रताप सिंग राणेन हे घडोवन हाडलेलें. That time it was a dream. Today you have failed completely. Speaker Sir, you have made provision of the Honorable Minister of 2 crores 76 lakhs for 24-25 under accident, death and injuries insurance. Previous year your revised estimate was 3.35 crores. I believe this is very little provision considering the fact of accidental deaths. There is a huge increase in your budgetary allocation under head of Road Safety Fund. From 3.98, you've made 11 crores. So you have to tell us where will this amount go, Speaker Sir? Speaker Sir, private carriages under this particular budget head, you have reduced it from 25 crores to 5 crores. So what is the reason for doing that? Speaker Sir, if I summarize the transport department, the number of fatal accidents that are happening today, from आमी एक LAQ question मागलोलें, from 2023 to 15 June 2024, in North Goa and South Goa, there are 2,344 accidents that have taken place. 2,344. And the data reveals that in the last 5 years, 1,000 people have lost their lives. 1,000. There are a lot of accidents and the accident jenna serious zale, they recover. But 1,000 log mela. 1,000 log 5 varsa mela. That has almost 2,000 families have been shattered with these deaths, Speaker Sir. Speaker Sir, a lot of this have occurred because of the complete failure of this government to enforce the Motor Vehicle Act. A lot of minors were also involved in these accidents. I believe that the road infrastructure and the transport department is going from bad to worse. I'll tell you why. Speaker Sir, आज आणि हे तू ऐकपा जाय Speaker Sir, म्हाका दिसता legislative secretary and you all have to listen to what I'm saying. आज जे ब्लॅक स्पॉट्स आनी एक्सिडंट प्रोन झोन्स म्हणून हांवें क्वेश्चन मागलोलें एंड इट वॉज टू बी आन्सर्ड ऑन 18 जुलय 18 जुलयाक हांवें गायिल्लें डिपार्टमेंट ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट ट्रान्सपोर्ट कितें कोता तें क्वेश्चन ट्रान्सपोर्ट धाडटा पयलें PWD धाडटा PWD मागीर तें काण पोतून चिरी विरी भाशी होम डिपार्टमेंटाक धाडटा आनी मागीर पोतून तें होम डिपार्टमेंट आतां ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटाक पोतून धाडला हें कितें चल्लां स्पिकर सर हे सेक्रेटरी ट्रान्सफर जायनाय पूण हांवें क्वेश्चन इतली बेगी ट्रान्सफर जाताय आनी पोत हें आतां हें बोड्यां केलां बिकॉज आय हॅड आस्क्ड एंड द गव्हर्मेंट डीड नॉट वॉन्ट टू रिवील टू मी द फॅक्च्युअल पोजिशन वाय इज दीस ट्रान्सपोर्ट PWD होम मागीर पोत्तें ट्रान्सपोर्ट स्पिकर सर हें तुमी मॉनिटर करपाक जाय सकाळीं हांवें सांगलोलें तुका स्पिकर सर आमगेले जे प्रश्न GAD घातलेले सेम प्रश्न गेले ते वर्सा GAD आन्सर्ड बट नाव दे ट्रान्सफर द क्वेश्चन स्पिकर सर हें धरी तर एश कोन चल्ल्यार स्पिकर सर आज आमी जेन्ना आमदार मूं हिंगा येता कितें स्टडी करून येवपाक मूग सोदता यू ऑल हॅव पर्पसली नॉट डन दॅट एंड गव्हर्मेंट हॅज क्रिएटेड दीस डेथ ट्रॅप्स ऑल अक्रॉस द स्टेट्स एंड देर इज एब्सोल्युटली नो mechanism in place to reduce these fatal accidents because of. Because your various replies, it shows that your department is in deep slumber, although you are very active. But Speaker sir, this with regards to advancement of technology, about 10 days ago I was reading a statement of yours that you warned all the RTO officials. You check what they are doing. They are doing only chiri miri, nothing else, absolutely nothing else. Not worried about anything. Because from various answers of your departments, I feel that the department is there's a complete failure. Because ramp asta with regards to Kadamba. Kadamba आज ये ramp benzene poor mark this thing चोयला assembly को इते गायलो ते गेलें स्पीकर सर लाकडा कूड केस गायल्लो प्लायवुडाचो भायर भितर सोतना तें गेलें उदकान तेन्ना तें प्रेस तुवें दाखयल्लें हिंगा भितर सोतना हे रॅम्प जे आमकां सांगलोलें स्पीकर सर इन March 2022 you said that hydraulic lifts to help persons with disabilities and all these things would be provided to Kadamba. Today we are in July 2024. What is the status? We are just running in circles, Speaker sir. म्हाका दिसता आज ट्रक टर्मिनसाचे जायते उलयले ज्या पद्दतीन आमचे बरे जायते पोंडाचे दारबंदराचे जायते मोडगोचे येयले इफ यू लुक द वे द कार्स आर पार्क्ड देर buses are parked there, heavy earth moving machinery is parked there, all of these on national highways or major district roads, because this is causing obstruction for smooth movement. And म्हाका दिसता there is a need for you to create this truck terminus. Because I want to ask the Transport Minister about the batches for the taxi operators, the traditional amgale. It has been stopped. Only motorcycles you are giving and the other forms. But why you have stopped? Why 6, 7, 8 years I believe it is stopped? Why you are not giving them these batches? Because I want a categorical assurance from you. Which date you will issue them? Because e-vehicle ache jenna uloitna EV charging station completely chaos. जे buses आहे today सगळे उलयले हिंगा सगळ्या बस जाय आमकांय जाय आमी पयलीं मागलोलें आनी चोयत मू सांगलोलें पूण हे स्पीकर सर हे बस बी सांग म्हाका दिसता पावतो मू हे पावत म्हळ्यार आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी हुंय पावत म्हळ्यार म्हाका दिसता पंचर जावन थिंगा बॉन पोटल्यो इसली आज सुविधा जाल्या स्पीकर सर ह्या डिपार्टमेंटाची स्पीकर सर at the first time I think in 2022 in the monsoon session I had asked you about the e-commercial business activities. And you had congratulated me then that I bought it to your Nodre Mugar Almo. Aaj Zao, Zomato, Swiggy, Amazon, all this can create revenue. After which, Speaker sir, I believe 77 of these e-commerce vehicles were registered with the Transport Department. This was the reply in July. In February, this increased to 199. But I feel that it is much more with the Maharashtra and Karnataka registrations also. They are much, much more. What action will you take to bring all these vehicles under the ambit of the Transport Department? What is the plan of yours? First it was 0, then you made 77, 199. I think 199 might be in one constituency with the amount of this e-commerce generally happening. Ada, Speaker sir, coming to the most important, one of the most important point, revenue under Goa Rural Improvement and Welfare Cess Act 2000. From the start I had said. You had said that time it was in the court, but there was no stay at that time. Nothing stopped you at that particular time to recover it. Speaker sir, ye je 29 companies pade hai, these 29 companies, 2014 onwards, 230 koti rupiah they have owed to the state. This included Vedanta, JSW, Adani, ये सगळे जे पड क्रोनी कॅपिटलिस्ट आहे हे सरकारा गेले जे ईस्ट आहे हेंगेले हे 230 crore रिकवर करूंक नासले. Speaker sir, I have been provided that and I want to know from the Honorable Minister, why was that amount pending? What efforts had the government taken to recover the same? And the 5 company जे 210 crore पडे आहे because of JSW Energy, Engele Doni due to is almost 160 crores. Have you set up, whether the government has set up any check post to collect the data of transportation? Now, as per your new act, having a check post at the border itself, there's a lot of contrary as per the new act that has happened. So you give me clarification on that as well. What is the future of having a check post? I will come to that later. Because High Court and a petition je 10 January 2024 emi dispose kelle. Whether the department, had you issued any demand notice after the High Court order? Please place that notice in front. What is the current status? Speaker sir, anta industry je oloita, we expect the Honorable Minister to clarify on the provisions of your industry policy to ensure the employment of locals. This is one of the main problems in Goa. What is the mechanism that you have put in place to supervise the linkage between the industry and the employment of locals? What is the mechanism that you have? What is the tracking mechanism that you have to make sure what is promised is delivered? Do you have a mechanism? Because here also, the Labour and Employment Minister yesterday made a very loud statement that they do not have any control about reservation of jobs. Here, industries are given jobs, they are promised, given water, given sogle हांकां रोस्ट कोन्न दिताय, उदो दिताय, सगळें दिताय आनी आमची जमीन दिताय. पूण हांकां कितें मेळटा स्पीकर सर? स्पीकर सर, illegalities हांव येता in industrial estate, this is happening right from day one. And I believe, Speaker sir, these things are going from bad to worse. I took an example. The first time I said about the illegalities in Kunkolim, in this industrial estate, you promised me that you would notify me. Then suddenly on the newspapers, there was a news that one of the ministers have come there in the industrial estate. I don't know who Kushbu chanla te achu ele. Anka konan sangil na. You please, this is a very, very serious issue. Every time I'm raising this, every time I get no answer, no response, I am very serious about it. You please understand that every session I do it. Speaker sir, je provision halle, this is 13% basically your industries of more of what it was last time. So, Speaker sir, you have made the minister has made a provision of 80 crores to undertake basic works in the industrial estate for infrastructure. So which industrial estates and what work this 80 crores is divided? Because there are several pending proposals. So where exactly these 80 crores will be divided, the Honorable Minister could tell us. Ada jobsache je connection oloita. Speaker sir, there are few shocking incidents and then the Chief Minister has to intervene. Of interviews fixed in Gujarat, in Maharashtra, is it permitted? Is there a law? Labour and Employment Minister say he has no control. Whether you have any control, ज्या पद्धतीन retrenchment जाता, Duraline workeraचे of contract labor are taken outside the states because amgelo zago, amgelo power, amgelo water resources, everything belongs to you, facilities belongs to the people of Goa and people don't get jobs. This is a very, very serious issue and you need to look at it very seriously. Ada GIDC that collects revenue, and this was also raised, and we have written, Speaker, to the chairman, we have written twice, especially the Kunkolim municipality, of the pending dues, crores of rupees have to be paid. They come, they do business irregularly, जे encroach कोता, pollution कोताय, सगळी हे घाण कोताय, आणि जे department आहा ते निधन आहा, पैसे दिनाय municipality. There is no revenue given. Speaker sir, जे you have made one provision under 2851 of Industrial Estate 01, reimbursement of taxes. I believe a lot of people, the Amge Environment Minister had when he was the MLA, he spoke about several Verna Industrial Estate as well. So many panchayats have to get it. 1.5 crore, I think, crores of rupees have to be paid only to the municipalities. And why have you not released this? Because I would like to know in detail the scheme of the special incentives for women entrepreneurs and startups that you have mentioned. In the budget speech, it is mentioned. Have you adopted to any sustainable practices? And what is the progress because of this scheme? Others, because sir, this government, you have failed to implement the industrial policy protecting the interest of Goa and Goans. Number two, जे answer आमकां मेळटा की it looks like जे 80% job reservation or गोंयकारांक मेळटले, it's a dream. What is the stand of your department with regards to job reservations in the Goan private sector? Advertisements, कालचे दिसाक आमी उलयले, सकाळी उलयले. Pharma companies advertising under the Essential Service Act, under that disguise, लोकांक retrench कोताय, it's absolutely no control. आज industrial estatean जे leakages जाताय, poisonous gases, blast, fires in various industrial estates, it is all over the park. जावं Verna, everywhere. But speaker sir, जे data म्हाका मुगेलें एक question आशिल्लें on 17 February 2024, and in this about fatal accidents, and you have said that from 2019 till date there are 18 fatal accidents. Of these 18, 7 are in Kunkolim. Of 7, 4 belong to one company, Global Ispat. So you see the sequence, you see the irregularities. I've been pointing this out. No action has been taken. No, absolutely no one wants to look at it, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, this government, labor law, last time you said they labor, anta labor 2-3-4,000 labor hai tinga. They stay within the industrial unit. If a catastrophic incident happens, thousands will die together. एक रुमान 8 जा 10 जा उदका सुविधा ना टॉयलेट सारके नाही हे सगळे थिंगा. This is absolutely the minister doesn't have any policy in line. This is all illegalities. And it is going, Speaker sir, from bad to worse. You have failed to promote any non-polluting industries. You tell me which are the industries that we've got. Yeah, amge Kongolkarache curse. This is a curse. These industries, because you must have also been the MLA. Yeah, which Sarkara nale, that is not the solution. The solution is that to. That's because sir, main je encroachment zatale. And I believe you have an efficient director. And you spoke about your DSLR surveys, about these things happening. Last time you said 18 reports were available, some are pending. Now, Speaker sir, airport surveys alai, how many people have encroached? To what extent it has been encroached, and what action you have taken against them? I want to know what action you have taken against them. Don't tell me that they have been called, there have been some fines, and tell me what action you will take. Can they just encroach? Can they do whatever they want? Speaker sir, inga mutte ki just because they are industrialists means that kaidna zaite korpak shaktai. Emaka dista mantri namka sangpak zain. IPB je eta anda, Speaker sir. I have a reply that you have said that which shows 4 industries were promoted under white category, 21 under green, 47 under orange, and 14 under red category. Now from these, from the reply that I have, you have a proposed investment of 6,650 crores. This is what was proposed. The actual investment is only 951 crores as on date. Employment you propose was 24,300. Actually generated is 2,505 as per the answer given to me. So where do you all get these numbers of 24,000, Chief Minister talks about 2 lakh jobs. Yeah, 20 speaker sir, तुम 20 number देता है. Have you all taken any action on them? Why are you all silent if they promise 25,000 jobs? Speaker sir, 88 projects until only 12 projects are completed. 76 are still not completed. This is Investment Promotion Board. Other Speaker sir, we raised it last time. Elton also raised it up. Delta Corp Limited. I don't know. This Delta Corp is, everyone is associated, Speaker sir. With this Delta Corp, this government is associated. I'll put it that way. Speaker sir, जे project thenge je approved zala, under partly natural cover. First of all, I would like to congratulate you before starting this. Because जे high powered committee नामका जे तुका आमी सांगलेलें की old Goa हे जे eco hotel येता, and तुई बंद केला. So I would congratulate you for that. They're close to St. Francis Xavier, that thing that was approved. I had raised my objection in the high-powered committee, and I read to the newspaper that you have cancelled it. So I congratulate you. तो काय congratulate को था, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, but ये जे Delta Corp project था, this is approved by IPB, is coming under natural cover area, cultivable land, irrigation command area भितोर था. Is this allowed? That you'll allow anyone, Speaker sir, under the disguise of casinos to operate the way they want? Are we not concerned with our WRD and don't we have enough water problems? Speaker sir, ye maka dista je orchard area, under natural cover area, you have to take a call on this. Otherwise, the people and we will protest. We will protest, and Speaker sir, we will make sure that this project never sees the day of the light. Because Speaker sir, Anekha, Brahma Corp Tim Park, under buffer zone of garbage management side, whatever you have taken. MS Team 4 beverages, this is also coming under natural cover. So you look at this, these things are very, very seriously. Now, Speaker sir, coming on the IDC exit scheme. You all have launched this scheme, very good. Speaker sir, now I would like to basically summarize a little what is happening, what was and is still happening in the IDC. Speaker sir, there are huge dues outstanding against a lot of leaseholders for so many years. In spite of repeated observations by the CAG, the IDC has failed to recover the same and has neglected, absolutely neglected to act properly in recovery. Now first, delay in execution of lease deeds. These are all audit reports. Now you might say you were not the minister then, but this is, you are a minister, it's a continued process, and the department, Speaker sir, because of the delay in execution of lease of deeds, March 29, almost 12 crores 57 lakhs were pending as dues. It is not known whether the same will be recovered or no. Speaker sir, delay in processing applications of allotment of plots. Yeah, plot je hai sogle konan. Even the IDC has given gold coins. They've given plots to their relatives. Everything is basically je illegality thinga chalta, Speaker sir. Absolutely, je committee hai, screening committee, they are all namesakes. Speaker sir, with this delay in processing the application, investment of 73.48 crores was promised of 1,141 persons by 9 months. What has happened to this, Speaker sir? Speaker sir, misuse of land allotted to the industrial estates. Ada 27.82 lakh square meters, which is almost 24% of the total 1,18,000 square meters of land at 20 industrial estates. These lay unutilized, and they are lying unutilized not now, but for several years they've been given to these industries. These, Speaker sir, even after third party janna transfer zali, first, second, third party also when it was gone. I'll tell you for example, one particular plot, 8,000 square meter, was given at Verna Industrial Estate for 60 lakhs. It was transferred for 1.76 crores. After it was transferred, Speaker sir, it was sold again, third time for 7 crores. So from 1 crore, 7 crores, Speaker sir, over 6 years. After this was being reported by the audit, the defaulter and the government appoints one TFC. They bis te table tennis hat hai, Speaker sir. ये जे दोन्ही कमिटी आहे तो तेच ते बागेन कोताय हे उमके माग हे उमके माग. Speaker sir, the corporation's role appeared to be more of a facilitator. They were facilitating this deal. These committees do not have professionals. They are all party men, all directors put there to bargain. Speaker sir, Jenna, the second allotee made a profit of 4.5 crores and the third allotee made a profit of 13 crores. So you see, basically the eye and the land, all of these departments and all of this whole, your Sarkar is only about lands and nothing else. Speaker sir, basically what I want to try to say is that these plots, there are several cases. Another one, a test check was conducted of 296 plots out of 3,514 in 230 industrial estates. At 12, there were 46 plots that revealed that 4,45,000 area only. This, Speaker sir, was not utilized from 2 years to 20 years. They have not been utilized. And Speaker sir, these plots and such incidences of trading of plots are pointed out by the audit. They are pointed out very clearly, and who have been involved in this trading of these plots, Speaker sir, they have to be brought to the book. You cannot give them an exit route through this scheme of yours. These people, these are culprits because there are crores of rupees that have to be recovered, Speaker sir. Ada irregular just swapping of plots jata. Ada, Speaker sir, as per your regulations and amendments of the Goa IDC Allotment Regulation Act, just swapping of allotted plots, but the corporation, Speaker sir, what did it prefer? It preferred to alternate plots in lieu of the allotted plots on the request of the allottees. म्हणजे जे allottees आहे तेच जाता. कायद्याप्रमाणे हा ते कांयच जायना ahले. Audit observed that jet post swapping of the plots, you did not utilize the plots, but the corporation took no action to repossess those plots. Means basically sale out of sale, म्हणजे buyer plota hadla plot करीत राव. You did not take any action to make sure that the department gets hold of the plots. And this audit basically, because of that, has recommended to the corporation that this swapping of allotted plots and repossessing of plots is completely out of the regulation. Lease rent recovery, such a weak mechanism. Now you've made 80 crores of provision for them. Speaker sir, as of March 2019, your lease rent recovery was 13 crores. Why are you not increasing? Manager to get field manager, they're all sleeping, absolutely sleeping. Sogle komina da. Utka tenga itle electricity bills have to be paid. So many water bills have to be paid. What is the department doing? Sleeping, Speaker sir. Ek example dita, 701 invoices were issued of the corporation for recovery of lease rent. And what was revealed is that of 203 invoices, Speaker sir, that is 29%, 66 were during 6-month periods. Means from 6 months up to 8 years. This is the amount of recovery that has to be done. You all are jenna barik lokank उदकाचे बिल कातोरपाक आमगे पावर मिनिस्टर हिंगा जे लायटी बिल कातोरपाक रोकडे बिल 15 दिसां भितर हे कातोन उडयताय कनेक्शन हेंका वर्सां जालीं हे माफिया मरे माफिया राज कोण प्रोटेक्ट कोता स्पीकर सर undercharging of plots. Now when I say undercharging of plots, there were 287 allottees at 18 industrial estates. And inga, Speaker sir, the test check done by the audit, 151 allottees at 7 industrial estates found that the transferred plot of 17 lakhs, 17 lakh square meter was to third parties. And this resulted, through your undercharging, a loss of 73 crores. What has the department done on this? Speaker sir, one of the 5 allottees, among this, Speaker sir, there were 5 plots of undertaking the utilized plots within 3 years. Aaj, Speaker sir, till today, all these violations exist. Scrutiny committee ji halli, table tennis, they said 60% of the plot rate should be given. Your screening committee then settles it at 10%. Speaker sir, what is going on? One committee recommends 60, other one settles at 10. What is this system? Speaker sir, you have given NOC for mortgaging for 228 cases. 228 cases, no objection certificate delay. Ekleanani, जो plot gello 5 crore for 5 crore 67 lakhs the plot was given. He has mortgaged that plot to 5 banks, and today to collateral he has to pay about 428 crores. 428 crores. Speaker sir, I strongly feel that when such matters are pointed out, the IDC has to come forward. You have to come forward with schemes how to basically, a huge dues high. What is your plan? Don't give them an exit. If you all plan to exit, this government will exit. With this type of things, if you are and we will point this out. We will make sure that we knock the doors of the High Court or wherever it is. We will not allow you all till these people, because this issue is less. Speaker sir, speaking on the last demand, Panchayat, it is responsible for delivering of several critical issues. And Speaker sir, handling of disposal of solid waste, because the High Court holds them तांकां obligat कोताय की तुमी license दिताय मु तांकां तें license दिवपाचें बंद कोताय. And that's because sir, honorarium to panchayat members, this is dispersed sometimes late, once in 6 months. You need to look at that. Private owners of trees, we have spoken about this thing. This is a big problem that the panchayat faces. You all need to come out with some policy. Roadside drainage, the PWD department doesn't allow us. Roadside drainage Speaker sir म्हाका दिसता is a very, very important issue. The BDO's office requires several staff थिंगा उणी हा. सकाळ आमचो RDA minister मुटा staff नामो estimate जायने. हे पंचायतीन Speaker sir काबार करता. Speaker sir, timely disbursement of the 15th Finance Commission. These reports have been submitted by SFC. Collection of waste through panchayat areas. This has been a failure. Speaker sir, आता जे मुगेले एक LAQ आशिल्ले, LAQ 47. And I had basically put it to show that this government doesn't have the will and to stop the illegalities, activities by panchayat secretaries, gram sevaks in various panchayats. Ada LAQ 47, it states that there are 11 panchayat secretaries currently on whom vigilance and CID cases are registered. The same LAQ states, Speaker sir, that 31 village panchayats where full-time dedicated panchayat secretariat hai, they are not posted. 31 village panchayats. I don't know, Honorable Vijay Bab's answer was saying different, but they gave me 31. I think Cruz they gave 26. I don't know what is the formula for that. 209 panchayat secretaries against whom the first appellate authority, the BDO has issued orders for non-complying of the RTI information sought by the general public. Speaker sir, out of these orders that have been passed, the Goa State Commission, they have passed RTI information dillamo on 30 panchayat secretaries. Against 30 panchayat secretaries, this has been passed. Mantri inga ayla. I am Mantri kitle pusa note pasunga aylo. I think it's going to be now almost 300 days. I don't know. You must be busy. But that note, I think even Honorable Chief Minister's office it has gone. जो आमगे पडपी पंचायत सेक्रेटरी दिला, स्पेशली शांदोज गांव तो पंचायतीन बसना. तो भायल्या वता लोकां थिंग देराचे माता. आनी आपणा गेले 20,000, 30,000 दिसाचे तयार कोता. It is shocking. I have written to you 3 times. You check. Your OSD knows about it. If we are telling you that corruption and rampant corruption is happening,
I have not received that.
no, I'll give you the received copy.
You give me the copy.
Yeah, I have received your OSD, Itel, she knows about it. It has been given to her. Speaker sir, I believe you look at this. These are very, very serious issues. The government has failed in time-bound services. As you have acted on द इको हॉटेल जे येताले ओल्ड गोवा आमगेले 3 तारखे जे फेस्त आहा वॉट एवर इज द एक्सपोजिशन जे थिंगा ओल्ड गोवा हो बंगलो आहलो वो ओल्ड गोवा बंगलो कित्याक स्पीकर सर हे कितें जाता वाय स्पीकर सर there seems to be made deliberate attempts to delay the hearings. What is happening with this? You please expedite. Before the exposition, Speaker sir, I feel you should expedite. At the end, Speaker sir, ये जे ghost work थोडे पंचायतीन चलता, I will give him and end it. A classic example, this particular work was done under the 15 Finance Commission and GIA funds for gutters, laying of pavers, construction of a Ganpati Visarjan platform with shade. And this is the report, you need to investigate this. This is a report that there work order dilli, work order issue keli, त्याच्यानंतर work was not undertaken. It is shown as completed, certified by the competent officials. Here the work order and disbursement of payment is also done. No completed work is not complete, but completion certificate is given. This certificate जे सरपंच आहे थिंगा जो जेई आहा हे कोमिनात जाले. Based on completion certificates, your BDO has issued Form 24. In the first time, I believe today, some papers also have highlighted about this. The payment is also dispersed. I demand that you send your BDO at this site. Check this out. I will send this across. Speaker sir, this is a very, very important thing. I think that you should look at these serious things. With this, Speaker sir, I hope ante आमगे जे secretary आम सांगिला, जे secretary जे transfer आसपाक काबार बाप तो फोन काढा. मग तू राती पासून फोन काढालो जाल्यार पोतून फोन मारतालो. पूण म्हाका दिसता हे तरी तूं तें कंप्लीट कर. दिस आर सिरियस थिंग. थँक्यू स्पीकर सर.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.